It's the Maverick again to the rescue this evening, seeking to clarify the statement that modern Test cricket lacks genuine superstar quality outside of India's Virat Kohli. Absolutely true, if you ask me. Most of the superstars of cricket today are T20 stars and not Test stars. Some experts, however, are pointing to the likes of England's Joe Root and New Zealand's Kane Williamson, who both average over 50, and the likes of Jimmy Anderson and Stuart Broad, who have combined for almost 1,000 Test wickets between them. They say, look at those numbers. These two must be superstars of Test cricket. But this is where the Maverick is needed to address the bird brain reasoning. Now, first of all, being a quality Test player don't mean you're a superstar. Wow factor, crowd appeal, larger-than-life popularity and status. These are superstar qualities that cannot be quantified with numbers. Averages and numbers determine productivity and efficiency, not superstardom. Again, for clarity, we go to Shiv Narayan Chanderpaul, who has a higher Test average than Viv Richards and almost the same average as Brian Lara. But Chanderpaul cannot even walk in the slippers, much as the shoes of Richards or Lara as superstars of world cricket. Now, if after that Viv, Lara, Shiv analysis, people don't understand the difference between quality players and superstars, well, God go, we don't know. God may not coming.